Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Vision International Academy, a unique model school specially designed and established to mainstream Huffaz. Huffaz, those students of Muslim minority who could not attend any primary schooling because they go for learning Holy Quran by heart. These students, because they spend their 3 to 5 years in madrasas, they are deprived of primary schools. Manappat Foundation, under the leadership of Amir Ahmad Sahab, along with some educationists from Aligarh Muslim University and Muslim scholars like Maulana Kaleem Siddiqui Sahab, established this unique school which provide the Huffaz an Islamic environment and modern education. This blend help Huffaz to retain their Holy Quran through a parallel program of Daur, which is morning and evening and night programs for the students, the Huffaz, to learn Holy Quran and revise it so that they retain it forever. Along with that, a regular central board of secondary education runs parallel, which helps these Huffaz to take their grade 9 to grade 12 in CBSE examination. Since past 7 years, Vision International Academy has been able to mainstream 114 Huffaz who in 18 different domains of higher educations are proving their mettle. This is what is our objective, to help very many Huffaz to attend such programs. Uttar Pradesh by itself has lakhs of Huffaz who graduate every year from madrasas, but these madrasa pass out needs very many Vision International Academies. We at Vision International Academy are just able to impact 0.006% of the Huffaz who graduate from madrasa, and therefore we are looking forward to philanthropists, same-minded people who are looking forward to uplift Muslim minorities through educations to join hand with us so that we can reach out to very many Huffaz. Thank you.